Welcome to Vintage King Motorsports, Baldwinsville, New York. This is a Honda 150 Baby Dream. It's not complete and it does not currently run. However, the engine is not frozen. It does have compression. It's not extremely strong, but it does have some compression. It does shift through the gears. An absolutely great source of hard to find Honda parts, a restoration project, or put it in your man cave as a piece of garage art. Folks, you can't go wrong with a bike like this. For the price, you can do almost anything with it. There's a lot of good parts here. Don't let this one slip away. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.